In this video, you will learn how to solve different math problems to prepare for the GED test. Actually, you can also use all of the problems here to prepare for other exams like SAT, PSAT, AP, or Accuplacer. Okay, let's solve some sample problems here. Evaluate y squared times 4x minus y if y equals -2 and x equals 8. So all we have to do here, the first thing we do is we substitute the given values for x and y to the given expression, which is y squared times 4x minus y. So let's do that. So this would be -2 squared times 4 times 8 minus -2. And then we simplify. Okay, we can simplify this one as 4. -2 squared is 4. And then this one is 32 minus -2. This is plus 2. And then we simplify further. 32 plus 2 is 34. And then 34 times 4 is just equal to 136. So the answer is this one, 136. Okay, let's solve another one here. At a certain time of day, a man 6 feet tall casts a shadow 4 feet in length. At the same time, a church steeple casts a shadow 28 feet in length. How high in feet is the church steeple? So we don't know the length or the height rather of the church steeple. So we can let x be the height of the church steeple. And then we can set a proportion here with the height of the object versus the length of the shadow. So we're given here that a man is 6 feet tall and he cast a shadow which is 4 feet in length. So we can write that in proportion ratio. 6 feet is to 4 feet. This is for the man. And then for the church steeple is just x feet, because we don't know, is to 28 feet. Okay, the shadow it cast, the length of the shadow it cast. Now we can set a ratio and proportion here. This is just 6 is to 4, or 6/4, and then this one is x is to 28, and then we can equate them. X over 28 equals 6/4. And to solve for x here, we cross multiply. So x times 4, that is 4x, equals 6 times 28. Okay. Then we solve for x, which is the height of the church steeple. This is just 4x equals 6 times 28 is 168, and we divide both sides by 4. Then the value for our x equals 42. So it's 42 feet. This is the height of the church steeple. So this is our answer here. Wait, let's solve another one. If $1 is worth X French francs, what is the value in dollars of Y French francs? So again, to solve this problem, we can use ratio and proportion. So we're given here that X French francs is $1, or $1 is worth X French francs. So $1 is to X French francs. And then we don't know the value in dollars of Y French francs. Wait. So we just let X be the value in dollars for the Y French francs. Now we can set up a ratio here. 1 is to X, and then equate this one to Z is to Y to solve for Z. Then we can cross multiply. 1 times Y is Y, and then Z times X is just XZ. And now we can solve for Z. We divide both sides by X. This cancels out. Therefore, the value of Z is just equal to Y over X. So the answer here is this one, Y over X. Right, let's solve another one. Evaluate 6 times 10 to the 5th divided by 4 times 10 cubed. So we can write this 6 times 10 to the 5th over 4 times 10 cubed. Okay, actually, since this is multiplication, we can just separate them. We can separate 6 over 4 and then times 10 to the 5th over 10 cubed. Then we can reduce 6 over 4 to 3 halves because they're both divisible by 2. And then dividing exponents using the law of exponents. If it's division, then we just have to subtract the exponents. So 10 to the 5th over 10 cubed is just 10 to the 5th minus 3. So this is just 3 halves times 10 squared. Then we simplify further. 3 over 2 times 10 squared is 100. And then this is just 3 times 100 equals 300 over 2. And 300 over 2 is just equal to 150. So this expression here is just equal to 150. So this is our answer here. Okay, let's solve another one. A 3-foot wide walkway is built around a swimming pool that is 20 feet by 30 feet. Then 3 foot wide. So we're given here a figure. If the depth of the pool is 6 feet, what volume of water in cubic feet is needed to fill the pool? So we're given here the dimension of the pool, and it is also given that the depth of the pool is 6 feet. Okay, since the average depth of the pool is 6 feet, and the water here forms a rectangular solid with the given dimensions 30 feet by 20 feet. So to solve for the volume of the water that is needed to fill the pool, so we just have to multiply 30 feet by 20 feet times the depth of the pool, which is 6 feet. So this is just equal to 3,600 feet, cubic feet. So this is the volume of water needed to fill this pool.